What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Coyote Zr2. Today I have a really quick, simple, fast, cheap install anyone could do to their Colorado or Canyons. I'm going to be installing these Lasfit LEDs for the interior dome lights inside the cab of the truck. Lasfit is sponsoring me, so they did send out these for free for me to do a video on. Basically, they actually sent them a couple of months ago, but I just haven't got around to doing it. But now, since fall is here, winter is upon us, it's getting darker sooner. It's getting dark in the morning when I leave for work, so I figured what better time to get some better lighting inside the truck than right now. And all you need to install these LED Lasfit dome lights is a plastic pry tool. So let's just crack straight into this. And I'll show some before and after footage too, after I show the install video and give my honest opinions about it. So, all right, so to take these off, just gonna take the pry tool. That one just popped right out. Make sure the lights are still off, because these will be hot if you leave them on just even for a little bit. Basically, if you look at this is the piece. There's a clip on the front, and in the back it's just these two little notches sit on the back, and you just shove them back in there when you're ready to put them back in. And then you got the two LED bulbs sitting right there. So I will see if I can fit my hand up there. If not, I'll show you guys a trick to get them out easier. Okay, so to get the stock LED or stock bulbs out, I just grabbed these flush cuts because they got a fine edge to them. And essentially, I'm just getting, so I can give you guys a better look at this. Essentially, I'm just getting right behind that bulb and just prying it forward. Just like that, and it pops right out. Because I'm not trying to keep the stock ones anymore, so they fell down, but those are both out. Hoping the new ones are just, hoping my finger can fit up there. If not, there's a trick you can do I've seen with tape to help get it up in there. So let me unbox the LED ones and we'll shove those in there, and I'll show you guys what it looks like, and then I'll jump in the back and show you guys how to do the back ones. Okay, so getting the new ones in is super easy. This is the new LED bulb. You're just kind of essentially, see if I can show you guys what I'm doing. See if I can do it through the camera. Just gonna try to set it up in there. I should just slide right in there. And voila! Those are definitely a lot brighter than the stocks were. That's for dang sure. Alright, so what I'm doing to get these back on, see the backs. You can see the backs have little notches in them. So one goes right there. And it notches in place, and the other one notches into place over there. Get that one in. Then I'm taking my pry tool and simply just push it in on that, up at the same time. Just like that, and then pushing up all the way, and there we go. Front's installed, and they're definitely a lot brighter. I don't know why. I honestly don't know why $55,000 truck, $50,000 truck doesn't come with this stuff already in it, but it is what it is, I guess. These are super cheap. I'll leave a link below in the description where to find them. And yeah, check out Lasfit LED lights. Let's do the back now. I imagine the back one's gonna be even easier. So let me hop in the back seat and get set up to show you guys how to do that. Alrighty, I am in the back seat. We are essentially going to be doing the same thing we did in the front, just different light. First step, I'm going to take my pry tool again, come to the edge, let the whole thing pop in. Come to the edge and try to pry that down. Once you get that popped out, this whole piece should be able to just chase it along, and this piece will fall out on top of it. Alright, so how I'm getting these ones out is I'm simply taking my tool from before, my little flush cuts, and essentially just trying to find a good spot to do that to it so it comes straight out. Those are out, and we'll grab the new ones and pop them in there. And then to put the new ones in, you're simply going to find the notch that came out of, which is right there. Push it in, test it, it works. And these ones just push straight up in there. Test it, it works. Next step, we're going to take our cover pieces. This is going to sit just like this over it. Just push that up. Get this piece in there, and this will mainly just be trying to just going around, shoving it in basically. Make sure it pop. Boom, boom, boom. And there we go. LED lights. And there you have it, guys. Super easy, fast install, cheap to bring your Colorado or Canyon up to the 2024 standards basically with LED interior lights. I'll show some before and after images when it's dark, so you see the difference. I'm excited to see what they look like at nighttime, see how much of a difference it actually is. So I'll show that after this. Yeah, stay tuned for that. Alrighty, so it's nighttime now. You just seen the before and after video, and these suckers are bright. I wish I would have done this a lot sooner. I mean, this is me sitting in the truck with the new lights right now, light, and it lights up the entire truck, like really visible. I'm happy. Wish I would have done this sooner. Anyway, that's the video. If you're interested in buying some of these lights for your Colorado or Canyon 3rd gens, I will have a link below in the description. Use code Coyote Zr2 for a discount. Lasfit also sells floor mats now, as well as like a bid mat, as well as, you know, these dome lights you've seen in this video, as long as like blinkers, the LED blinkers, LED headlights, reverse lights, brake lights, all that good stuff as well. So make sure you check them out. And yeah, this is definitely a cheap, useful mod, especially for this time of year when it's dark early in the morning and it gets dark on your before on your way home from work, basically, and lights up the entire truck. This is actually pretty nice. It should have came stock like this. I don't know why it didn't. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did like it, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to see more in the content. I have a lot more mods coming out, and I have more stuff from Lasfit I'm hoping to be showing off pretty soon here as well. So yeah, that's it for me for this one. I'm hoping to have this uploaded hopefully before the 28th, and then my next video will be next week too. I'm trying to get back on track and post regularly. So yeah, but anyway, I'll catch you guys on the flip side.